The Save-War Surgeries Sang, frae Houtman and Burghead. Well, I'm nae really wanting a business, but I'm often needing a nurse. My bag's gin all right, and my belly aches, I been a curse. My wife's been needing a doctor, for she can't get out to her bed, and I can't get doing the surgery. I think I'm going off on my head wheel. I'm nae off a wheel, and I'm off a nae wheel, and I can't be happy again till you gie us backward surgeries. Humza, gonna do all that you can. Well, you can't get sick in Houtman noo, nor down the road in Burghead. You've to visit a business in Lossiemouth. Sitting hours on the bus, you're near dead. And I can't get up the stair of a bus, and my all-blooders needing a pee. And yon lassie with the 3 sickly bairns, well, I ken that she's war off than me. Well, I'm nae off a wheel, and I'm off a nae wheel, and I canna be happy again till you gie us backward surgeries. Humza, gonna do all that you can. Say, dear Humza, listen you to my tale, and some have some compassion indeed, for we're all needing care for we're NHS. Say, roll up your sleeves and tak heed, for we're only needing our surgeries back. Grampian business models, nae good. So for Scotland's sake, tak our plight to your heart, for life's no about business nor greed. Oh, well, I'm nae off a wheel, and I'm off a nae wheel, and I canna be happy again till you gie us back our surgeries. Humza, gonna do all that you can. Ken my worst wicket, really, the worst wicket. It's nae daen, and we're nae haen it. Ken what I mean? So we're just going to ask you, the Scots Government, to help us to do the right thing, okay? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Cheerio from Burghead.